All of us here at the CU Home team are excited that you are joining us as we learn the top 30 things every home buyer should know from local lender Danny Stites with Midland States Bank.
And so, have you guys ever owned a home before?
We haven't.
You haven't? Okay, fantastic. Well, there'll be a lot of questions for you. So, what price range do you guys think that you're shopping in right now?
We would like to shop in the $250,000 to $300,000 price point, but we just don't know if we can.
Okay. What is the highest monthly payment you guys are comfortable making right now for your housing expense? Do you guys have that in mind?
We've talked about $1,600.
Okay. And what are you guys currently paying in rent?
$1,400.
Okay. What kind of down payment were you guys thinking about making?
Well, we hadn't really decided. We could go up to $30,000, but would like to keep some of that cash for renovations if we can.
Yeah, that's a fantastic idea. When money's cheap like this, I say borrow as much of it as you can. Keep all your money in the bank and buy furniture and remodel stuff with. And so there's a couple other loan programs and grant programs that could be available. We'll go over all of those once I get a little bit more detail and see which ones you guys could qualify for and be eligible for. Thanks a lot for giving me all that personal information. I know it feels a little bit like an interrogation, but it is all pertinent to making sure that we make the right recommendations and get you guys the best product and interest rate that we can get you. There's three things that go into interest rate on mortgages: credit score, the amount of down payment that you have, and which loan program you end up going with. Based on all the information that you gave me, you guys were shopping in that $250,000 price point, and you wanted to spend about $1,600 a month, and you're dead on. That's about what it will be for a $250,000 house. We can put down only 5%, so that would be $12,500 on that house, giving you some of that cash that you had earmarked for this so that you could do remodel, renovation, potentially buy some furniture. And that does put the monthly payment around $1,600 a month. That payment does include taxes, insurance, and your private mortgage insurance. So there are grant programs and down payment assistance programs that are available. There's about 3 of them available in Champaign County right now. And they're based on, are you a first-time home buyer and what your income level is for your household. And so what I'll do, once you guys leave, is I'll look over all your financial documents, and we run a couple different calculators to make sure what your income is and to see if you qualify for those programs. If you qualify for them, it could be anywhere from $6,000 to $12,000 of down payment assistance, or potentially free grant money given to you for down payment and closing costs. Local lenders understand their community and their marketplace better than a national lender. If you work with a good team, then we try to get you through the process pretty efficiently, pretty quickly, and pretty painlessly. It's a big advantage of working with somebody like me or working with another local lender. Is you can walk into their office, you can get them on the phone, talk to them. Big national carriers like some of these .com online ones. It's not that they can't get you a loan, it's what that process looks like start to finish and how stressful it is for you.
Thanks, Danny, for sharing such valuable information with all of us. Are you or someone you know thinking about making a move this year? If so, we should talk so you can be prepared to win in today's market. Also, be sure to join us next month as we talk with Mike from Healthy Homes Inspection Services.